Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting results of the recent Hamster Kombat Airdrop, just as I predicted. Let's break down how it all works and see exactly what you can expect from your achievements. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month. And we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So, as you can see on the screen, each achievement you've completed in the bot is rewarded with points. These points are based on factors like your hourly income, daily tasks, inviting friends, and unlocking achievements or keys. All these points get added up and eventually converted into hamster coins that you can withdraw. For example, if you check out my positive income, my hourly earnings, I've hit 5.5 million, which translates to 1,163 hamster coins. Moving on to daily tasks like the daily combo and cipher, they've earned me 2.45 coins, while inviting friends has added another 430 coins. My achievements? That's 122 coins right there, and keys have contributed a solid 223 coins. Adding all these up gives me a total of 1942 hamster coins, which you can see right at the top of the screen. Now, there's a section called Next Unlock, where you'll notice 228 of my coins are locked for now, and I'm not entirely sure why. Maybe it's part of a future unlock phase or tied to an upcoming listing event. As for the Unclaimed section, I can currently withdraw 1714 coins. If you look at my Binance withdrawal option, you'll see that exact amount ready for withdrawal from the hamster bot. Regarding the locked coins, I believe they'll be unlocked in the next phase, but as of now, we don't have a confirmed date. It could happen when Hamster Kombat is listed or maybe in the next stage of the game. Honestly, I'm not too sure why they're holding on to these. Now let's talk about the coin's price. It's currently ranging between $0.007 and $0.009, and if we check OKX, it's sitting at 1 cent, which is a great price. The highest it's been is $0.011, and the lowest was $0.009. This price jump is largely due to the airdrop, which caused a surge since not too many coins have been released yet. If we calculate based on the current price, my 1714 hamster coins would be worth around $18.47. But remember, the price fluctuates, so this isn't set in stone. The coin could dip lower or even rise to 8 cents or 9 cents. We just don't know for sure. That's the beauty of it. Things are looking good, and the next season of Hamster Kombat is expected to be even better. I hope everyone gets their airdrop, and for those with account issues, I hope your accounts get unlocked soon. I'll be with you step by step as we go through the process of withdrawing these coins and converting them into real cash. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. It will be very important during this period. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.